Example 3 is set up perfectly. We have a leading coefficient of 1. All variables are on one side of the equal sign and the constant is on the other. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this. T squared plus 6t and then leave some room equals negative 5. To complete the square, we take half of 6, which is 3, square it. We know that that's 9. And we're going to add that to both sides of the equal sign. And the whole point of this is now we have completed a square, so this side factors to a quantity squared, and that's t plus half of 6, which is t plus 3, and then negative 5 plus 9 equals 4. So we can solve this now by square roots, so we can square root both sides, remembering to take both the positive and negative square root. So that means t plus 3 equals both positive and negative 2. So two equations, t plus 3 equals positive 2, t plus 3 equals negative 2. Solving both, taking away 3, you get t equals negative 1, and then t also equals negative 5.